Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we will learn about the use of article a or an by an activity. But before we start an activity, I just want to tell you about the vowel and consonants and about the articles. Children, as you have already learned that there are 26 letters in English alphabets, and out of 26 letters 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U, and rest 21 letters are consonants. And articles are words that define a noun which are specific or unspecific. And there are two types of articles: indefinite articles like a or an, and definite articles like the. But today we will learn about indefinite articles. Article a is used with countable nouns which are not specific, and it is used with singular nouns, and it is also used with the words that start with consonant sounds. And we do not use article a with uncountable nouns or plurals. And article an is also used with countable nouns which are not specific. It is used with singular nouns, and it is also used with the nouns that starts with vowel sounds or words like A, E, I, O and U. So children, let's start the activity. And I have a basket with some objects, and I have two bowls also, bowl A or bowl N. And now we will put the object in the correct bowl. So now I am going to show you the object, and you have to tell that this object will go to which bowl. Now see children, what is this? Yes, this is tomato. So tell me, this tomato will go to a bowl or an bowl? Yes, this tomato will go to a bowl because it starts with the letter T, and T is a consonant. So it will go to bowl A. Now the next object. What is this children? Yes, this is key. So this key will go to which bowl? An bowl or a bowl? Yes, very good. This key will go to a bowl because it starts with the letter K, and K is a consonant. So it will go to a bowl. Now children, what is this? You all know this is sharpener. So this sharpener will go to which bowl? A or N? Yes, very good. This sharpener will go to a bowl because it starts with the letter S, and S is a consonant. Now see children, what is this? Yes, this is egg. So this egg will go to which bowl? A or N? Yes, N bowl. Why? Because it starts with the letter E, and E is vowel. So it will go to an bowl. Now see children, what is this? This is button. So this button will go to a bowl or an bowl? Yes, this button will go to a bowl because it starts with the letter B and B is a consonant. Now see children, what is this? This is what? Yes, onion. So this onion will go to which bowl? A bowl or an bowl? Yes, this onion will go to an bowl because it starts with letter O and O is vowel. So it will go to an bowl. Now children, what is this? This is pen. And this pen will go to, yes, A bowl because it starts with the letter P and P is consonant. Now see children, what is this? Yes, apple. You all love to eat apple? Yes, I also. So this apple will go to which bowl? A or N? Yes, an bowl. Why? Because it starts with letter A and A is vowel. So it will go to an bowl. And see children, what is this? This is aeroplane. So aeroplane starts with letter. Yes, A. So it is also what? Go to which bowl? Yes, an bowl because A is vowel. Now see children, what is this? Yes, you all love to eat ice cream. So this ice cream will go to which bowl? A or N? Yes, an bowl because it starts with letter I and I is vowel. So it will go to an bowl. And see children, what is this? This is ring. So this ring will go to which bowl? Yes, this ring will go to A bowl because it starts with letter R and R is consonant. Now see children, something is written on this paper. What is written? Honest. This is honest. So this word will go to which bowl? A or N? A bowl. Why? Because it starts with H and H is consonant. Children, I have told you now that we use an with vowel words or vowel sound. It starts with letter H, but the pronunciation of this word is honest. O sound, and O is what? Vowel. So it will go to an bowl. So children, we see that the words that starts with vowel sounds we use an, and the words that start with consonant sounds we use a. And I hope children you all have understood about the use of a or an. Thank you.